The topic of whether child support is unconstitutional is a complex and debated issue. To understand this concept, it is essential to break it down into key components. First, child support is a court-ordered payment made by one parent to the other for the benefit of their child. The primary purpose of child support is to ensure that both parents contribute to the financial well-being of their child, regardless of their marital status. The claim that child support is unconstitutional is often based on the argument that it violates the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment, which guarantees equal protection under the law. Some argue that child support laws are unfair and discriminatory, as they often impose a disproportionate burden on one parent, typically the non-custodial parent. To evaluate this claim, it is crucial to examine the principles of child support and the factors that influence its calculation. Child support is usually determined based on the income of both parents, the number of children, and the amount of time each parent spends with the child. The goal is to create a fair and equitable arrangement that prioritizes the best interests of the child. Practical examples of how child support is calculated can be seen in various state and federal guidelines. For instance, some states use the income shares model, which considers the combined income of both parents and allocates a percentage of that income towards child support. This approach aims to reflect the amount that each parent would have spent on the child if they were still together. Best practices for navigating child support issues include seeking the advice of a qualified attorney, understanding the specific laws and regulations in your jurisdiction, and prioritizing open communication with the other parent. It is also essential to recognize that child support is not a punishment, but rather a means of ensuring that both parents contribute to the financial well-being of their child. In conclusion, the question of whether child support is unconstitutional is a multifaceted issue that requires careful consideration of the underlying principles and laws. By understanding the key concepts, examining practical examples, and following best practices, individuals can better navigate the complex world of child support and make informed decisions that prioritize the well-being of their child.